Welcome back to The World According to the Nasman. Today we speak about a project started by Changeworks all the way back in 2013, known as Reaching Out with Reiki. Reiki is an energy healing modality, and Reaching Out with Reiki was designed specifically to help cancer survivors cope. In fact, it's a volunteer project where we bring together energy healers, specifically Reiki healers from around the UAE, and the most recent event even had a practitioner fly in all the way from Pakistan. And we work with cancer patients and autoimmune survivors, all stages, as long as they're willing to come. And what we have found after working with hundreds, about 400 of patients and practitioners, is that the project really uplifts them, really turns out their health care outcomes, has them feeling better, has them feeling supported, and coming back for more. So what is Reiki? Reiki is an energy healing modality. It's a very simple, clean modality in which the practitioner is just present in the Reiki, Rei being universal and key energy. So Reiki is working with universal energy. And balancing out that energy. It's a restorative technique. And for the Reaching Out with Reiki program, we'll usually have 2 practitioners working on a participant. The practitioners come on a volunteer basis. They sign up. We're happy to have them every year. And I'd like to take this opportunity to extend my gratitude for the amazing work they do. And the patients sometimes come to us from hospitals, from doctors, and sometimes they just find us. And we're willing and accepting to work with all these wonderful human beings going through a rough patch in their life at any stage. Most recently, the Reaching Out with Reiki program has been adopted by New Medical Center, specifically the one in Khalifa City, the new big Royal NMC. It's a beautiful place, and it's been put as part of their complementary healthcare program because they have an oncology ward, and their head of oncology, Dr. Diab, has sent many patients to us, tracked them, and was very impressed with the results. Reaching Out with Reiki is our giving back to the community as Changeworks. It started with the work of Casey Conrad, co-founder at Changeworks, who herself is a cancer survivor. And she is a Reiki master who has taught Reiki, initiated many Reiki students, and set up the project altogether. And I'd like to extend my gratitude to Casey because it has been by far the most successful project we have run as a company, and we're happy to run and continue running for as long as we can. Every day in every way, better and better.